Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the channel where luxury meets horsepower and innovation hits the road. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most opulent motorhomes ever built, the 2025 Prevost Luxurio. If you've ever imagined what it feels like to take a five-star hotel on a cross-country adventure, this masterpiece is your answer. Right off the bat, the exterior of the Luxurio commands attention. With its aerodynamic body, custom paint finish, LED signature lights, and massive panoramic glass panels, it's not just designed to move. It's designed to impress. And trust me, it does. Step into the Luxurio, and you're transported into a world of elegance. The cabin is a blend of fine Italian leather, real hardwood, and polished marble. Ambient lighting throughout the interior adds that soft, luxury glow. And everything, and I mean everything, is smart controlled. Whether it's adjusting your climate, dimming the lights, or setting the mood with music, it's all at your fingertips. In the lounge, you'll find ultra-soft recliners, a hidden 65-inch OLED smart TV, and a high-end surround sound system. The kitchen? It's a gourmet dream. Induction cooktop, convection oven, dual sinks, a full-size fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine. You'll want to cook, even if you're parked outside a five-star restaurant. And the bedroom? Let's talk about it. It features a king-size bed with memory foam, motorized adjustments, and mood lighting above. You've got a walk-in closet, heated floors, and a spa-style bathroom with a rain shower and backlit mirrors. The attention to detail is just unreal. Charcuteries. The road, the Luxurio, is powered by a Volvo D13 engine, offering power, torque, and an unbelievably smooth ride, thanks to its advanced air suspension. Driving it feels more like piloting a luxury yacht than a motorhome. It glides, it doesn't just roll. Safety-wise, Prevost didn't cut corners. Lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, tire pressure monitoring, and even automatic emergency braking all come standard. This is next-level travel with first-class security. Storage? More than you'll ever need, with underbody compartments that slide out electronically, perfect for your bikes, camping gear, or even an outdoor kitchen setup. And yes, it has solar panels and lithium batteries for off-grid travel without sacrificing comfort. The 2025 Prevost Luxurio isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. It's for those who want to explore without giving up the ihaibiban luxury of home. Or better yet, those who want to take luxury with them. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Honest Auto Wheels family. Like, share, and drop your thoughts below. Would you take the Luxurio cross-country? Or park it in the backyard as your dream staycation suite? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Only on Honest Auto Wheels.